Hi everyone, it's Sam from the Body Centre here. Welcome to our YouTube channel. The Body Centre is an accident repair and vehicle refinishing centre based in Norfolk. We have a passion for repairing and customising vehicles to the highest standard possible. Come with us behind the scenes and follow our journey. So guys, welcome to the Tesla Model 3 video. As I'm now going to show you, this car has got an awful lot of paintwork issues. Some minor dents, some see-through paintwork, a lot of stone chips. I'm in the car here with Jake. We've just now filmed around the car, showing you guys all the little bits and bobs on there. Now the customer has already marked up all the areas he would like us to put some special attention into. But this is borderline a full repaint, guys. As we all know, Tesla does not have the best paintwork finishes. If you're buying a Tesla, you're buying it for the technology, the advanced technology that these cars have. The paintwork, unfortunately, isn't the best. But that's what we're here for. So let's get this into the workshop, strip it down, and get into the paint shop. Hope you enjoy this video. Let's go. Is my hat all the way in?
Yeah, you're playing. So.
I'm playing. So guys, we are now in the prep stage with Ollie. I tried to get him in a video, but he's just not having it. I got a bit of work to put in there to get him on camera. You're gonna love him as well, because he generally looks like Leonardo DiCaprio. So I want to show him off. But yeah, he's not having none of it. But anyway, as you have now seen, Ollie has 500 DA'd the whole side. Around the edges, we're then gone over with an 800. We're going to be blocking down the necessary areas. We've got some small sort of crease lines on some areas which will block them out to then DA over, to then move through to the paint stage. It will then come to this side of the unit where Winky, can I say that? Can I say Winky? It's not a swear word, is it? Yeah, that's his name. It's a nickname. Can't tell you why, but yeah. It will then go through. Where he will then mask the vehicle up to go into the booth to apply the paint, where we're going to strap up Adam with the camera. Let's go.
next clip, Sam might appear a bit grumpy. However, he's got a cold, so if you could just give him a bit of sympathy, bless him.
So guys, the Tesla Model 3 is now complete. Looks absolutely brilliant. The team have done an unbelievable job. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video and got a bit more of an understanding of what really happens behind the scenes. If you own a Tesla and you're watching this video and you've noticed your paintwork isn't in the best condition or to the levels that it could be, drop us a message. We'd obviously love to help you guys out. We also supply 5 years paint warranty on all the paintwork that we complete as well, with a free courtesy vehicle supplied for whatever duration your job is in for. Please like, share, subscribe, comment on this video, guys. It really helps us out, and we will see you next time.